Today on the Stupid Kid Fun channel, we find out, is the $40 Harbor Freight welding cart worth the money? So this is everything that's packed away in that box. Pretty small box, not a whole lot really in there. We have a few shelving units, safety chain for the argon bottle, miscellaneous brackets, bag of hardware, some tires, casters, we got some upright supports, an axle, and the instructions on how to put it together. So let's get started. Alright everybody, so we have the welding cart done here. It's about what you would expect for $40 from Harbor Freight. Yeah, it'll be sturdy enough for home use. I wouldn't want to push it around the shop at my day job, but for around my small garage here, it'll work out just fine. Might modify it eventually. These casters are kind of inboard a little more than I like, so might get a little tippy once we get the welder on top of it. But we can put some flat strap, bring those casters out eventually. Otherwise, I think for 40 bucks, this is not a bad cart for home use, and I think it's actually a pretty decent buy to start out with if you don't already have something to stick your welder on. So next time, we'll go ahead and show you what welder we're going to be using, get it set up, and hopefully start welding a little bit. Alright everybody, until next time, we'll see you later. Thank you for watching the video here, and be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. It's Stupid Kid Fun, and can't wait to see you guys again. Have a good one.